Hello, poultry farmer. This is a continuation in poultry farming. Today, addressing coccidiosis. Coccidiosis is a protozoa disease causing sudden weight loss and low in egg production. Early symptoms comes with decreased water consumption and feed consumption, sudden weight loss, then diarrhea. Always observe the environment of your coop, and you do this by checking whether there is diarrhea. Always ensure that you use a disinfectant to clean your drinkers at least once in every 1 week. Use a correct disinfectant that is safe for your birds.